Hello my friends, and welcome to another kit that I have in my inventory. I'd like to show you. This is a Bristol F2B fighter. Now this is from Quest, and this is from 2004. So this kit is almost 20 years old, and it is, I think this is a difficulty level. You can let me know in the comments if I got that correct. But again, the history, and then the model itself. It's a pretty simple, straightforward model. As you can see, I love these older kits. They have a certain beauty and style to them that, you know, I would recommend still trying out. And then, of course, some of the instructions on the center. This is the internal structure to put onto here. And reinforcement, engine, the wheel. I have my own way of building the wheel. I hope you can follow, and I will show you what I do to build mine. And of course, the other part. And then you have the tail structure. For more detail, if you wanted to, you could build the entire tail section and then cut after to make it a little more realistic. Same to here, to these parts. That's if you want to. And yes, the instructions here. I like this model. I have a desire to get this one scanned and do a recolor of it. I really do not like cutting my models. I do not like cutting the originals, just in case something happened. So I usually get them printed. But yes, that's it for this one. I really like it. I can't wait to build this. I'd like to do several builds simultaneously to see how it works. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and above all, one love.